Good afternoon. This is Jim Leonick from Leonick Law in Comac, New York. Today I'm here to speak about depositions and an EBT. So if you're watching this, most likely you've gotten a letter from us telling you have to appear for an EBT. What is an EBT? It's an acronym, it's an abbreviation, it's letters that stand for something called an examination before trial. And it's a legal phrase that refers to a deposition. It's somewhat unusual because New York uses the phrase examination before trial. Most other states and jurisdictions only refer to this as testimony or a deposition. So a deposition is a sworn testimony that you give about something that occurred that's involved in litigation. I'm going to speak specifically about depositions and EBTs in personal injury cases because that's what my background is in. There are depositions and EBTs in many other types of cases, matrimonial, discrimination cases, contract cases, and those are outside of my background, so I'm not going to speak about them. I'm also not going to talk about the mechanics of an EBT because that's something that I'll reserve for another video where we talk specifically about how to prepare for an EBT and what's involved in an EBT. So to start with, you get a letter from us telling you have to appear for an EBT. Where is it? It can happen at the courthouse. It can happen in another attorney's office. It can happen in a court reporting office. And the parties are entitled to be there. So if you started the lawsuit and you're the plaintiff, you will be there. And the party that you brought the lawsuit against is entitled to be there, as well as their attorney and a court reporter. The court reporter is there to take down everything that's said, every question, every answer, and most importantly, it's important for you to prepare ahead of time. We do that with you. We go over the types of questions. We tell you what to bring, what not to bring, how to dress, where to go, etc. There's three things that I want you to remember about a deposition that will probably help calm some anxiety you have. One is we prepare you for the deposition. Two is I will be present at the deposition with you. You're not going this alone. Three, you have an opportunity to correct the transcript. So the court reporter takes notes, and at the end, they prepare a transcript and they send it to us. We get a copy, we give it to you, you look at it, we go over it, and we make corrections for anything that needs to be changed. This is your one and only opportunity before a trial to give your version of what happened in your accident, and we want to make sure that it's done correctly and gives the best view of your case. So we'll help you with that. I have over 30 years experience doing this. I've done somewhere between 500 and 1,000 depositions, either representing people or taking testimony from others, and I'm happy to share that knowledge with you when we prepare. So remember, it's important to know that if you go and you tell the truth and you follow some of the things that we tell you, you won't remember everything, but if you remember some of the things that we tell you when you tell the truth, you'll be so far ahead of anybody else that does this, you'll do a great job. Jim Leonick from Leonick Law in Comac, New York. Looking forward to working with you.